Hello, my name is Sushil. In this video, I will show you how to create realistic 3D rendering using 3ds Max and V-Ray. We will install some useful scripts and plugins. Then when we start modeling in 3ds Max, creating bed back panels, TV unit, wardrobe, creating realistic materials, setting camera, lighting, and rendering. We will do post-production in Photoshop, and we also create walkthrough using Chaos Vantage and After Effects. In this end of this course, you will know how to create beautiful render and walkthrough. So let's get started.